Long ago, on a golden African savanna, a small rabbit hopped carefully through the tall grass. Then suddenly, a mighty lion appeared, its eyes blazing with hunger. The little rabbit froze in fear. But the rabbit was clever. "I can outsmart him," it whispered to itself. With a quick thinking, the rabbit led the lion to a dark, mysterious cave, pointing the way with courage and cunning. The lion, greedy and curious, entered the cave and was trapped. The rabbit hopped away safely, rejoicing. And so, the little rabbit taught everyone that brains can be stronger than brain if you dare to be clever. If you go to your browser like this, you are going to search Bling AI. Okay, this AI is best known for generating images, but as time goes on, they added the video feature. So this is what it looks like. You can just describe the video you want to create here. Maybe okay, I have one little prompt. Okay, I have this. Let me just paste this here, and it is going to like generate the video for you. This AI generates super amazing video and super amazing pictures. You can see the recent work I have done. This is the AI that most people use for their folktale story. If you want to create folktale story with this, all you have to do is generate the pictures here. Though the pictures are not going to be consistent, but all you have to do is generate the pictures here. Then you, okay, hold on, let's check our video. Okay, this is our video. I'm going to see if there is sound when I download it. Okay. So it was downloading twice, so I'll just download it once. So let me just play and see. Okay, there is no sound. That's okay, because the sound comes with a lot of issues. Okay, this is actually in TikTok format. Let's change it into YouTube format. The duration is only 5 seconds. Okay, so let's try this in the TikTok format. Okay, so this is everything, though it has limitation, but it is free. So as I was saying about the images, this is where a lot of people create their folktales images from. Then they take it to InShot and then they tell the story. So on this video, I'm also going to be showing you how to do that. So let's get this done first. So just wait for it to generate. It takes 7 seconds according to the app, except it is network. So your files stay here for just 90 days. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I prefer the other one though, so I can still download this. It's mine. Okay, so it has been downloaded. Now this is the image section. This is where you create your image. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT right now. So when you get to ChatGPT, you can tell ChatGPT to visualize a 30 seconds AI story for you. Just give me the prompt to generate the pictures. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's wrong, so I'll just edit it. Visualize. Okay, I just edited it. So you can edit your messages here on ChatGPT. So this is it. Okay, I did not put folktale story. Visualize. Hold on, it's going to cancel first. So this is better. Sorry for the typo error. Visualize a 30 seconds AI folktale story for me. Just give me the prompt to generate the pictures. Okay, so you can copy this prompt like this. This is just for practice. It's not very too sharp. You can do better. I'm just showing you how to do it. So you can generate all the pictures one at a time. Okay, it's going to give you 4. For the images, it generates 4 images. Okay, so it will give you the 4 images and you are going to take the one that you want. So these are the images it's provided. You can just download any. Okay, download. You can download any one you want. So go back to prompt 2. Okay, copy it, select all this, paste the new one, generate that again. That is how you are going to generate all the pictures. Let me see how many the pictures are. The pictures are 6, just 6. So that is how you are going to generate the pictures. Then when you finish generating the pictures, you clip them up. Okay, so which one do you think? I think I love this one, so I'll just download it. Okay, so just generate all the pictures first. Okay, now this is the final picture. I've downloaded it, and the next thing is just to take all these things to InShot like I said. So we move over to InShot, click on video, click on new. We go in with all the pictures, 1 2 3 4 5 6. They are just 6 and they are going to be just 30 seconds. You see 30 seconds. So this is what all the pictures are looking like. You see, this is, if you click on a picture like this, you are going to see canvas. This canvas mean like the, this like ratio. Okay, this is for TikTok and YouTube. So I can, since I want to be posting mine on YouTube, I'll leave mine at 16:9. We already know all this. So for this picture, I can click on this picture like this. If I want to add text, this is where you can add your text. Okay, this is where you can add your text. But if you don't want to add text, you can just leave that. So AI speech, that is if you are in the pro version. Okay, you can use any of these AI speeches to like do your voiceover. But if you don't have that, you can click here. This is record and you can do your voiceover from this place. Okay, so if you want to put your music, you can click here, put your music from this place. These are all the sound on my phone. So that is for that. Now posting these pictures just like this might be a little bit blurred, like I said. So you can come to this animation and just put any of this transition. They call it transition, right? Any of this. It could be this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so you can put any of this like this. I always like using this combo. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. Okay, so that is what it looks like. So when you come to this small arrow here, this tiny one, when you click it, this is the transition, right? This one is the animation. This one animation, the one we talked about earlier. This one is the transition. Okay, so you can see that little fancy thing, right? You see, right? So that is just, it's as simple as that. A lot of people use this for their folktale story, just to like make everything more cinematic, like a little bit. It's just a little bit of editing. Now remember that using this transition like this like reduces your video. You can see it was 25 seconds, it was 30 seconds earlier, now it is 25 seconds, but it's still cute like this, right? I think it is still cute like this. So you can put animation on all the pictures. Okay, so this place, let's go to this side, animation. This is okay, this is how, like how many seconds you want the animation. so you can choose how many seconds you want to use. Okay, so you can make it small, because most times a lot of people use too many animation for their videos. Okay, I like this one, I like this one. Okay, so that is just how to do it. That is as simple as that. This is what lots of people use for their AI creation, their folktale story. Those people that can't afford pro version of a lot of application, so they use this one to tell their folktale story. So I'm just going to click on this place and put my own voiceover. Okay, to put your voiceover, ChatGPT can also help you with that. Let's go get it. So when you come to ChatGPT like this, you can tell ChatGPT, give me a voiceover script for this. Okay, so ChatGPT will give you a voiceover script. This is it. Okay, so it's just 6, right? Okay, it's just 6, so I'll just copy mine and I have the pro version of InShot, so I can just come to this place, then paste my own. Okay, remove all this, like all this instruction. Okay, I'll just remove all these instructions. So as you can see, I've removed all those instructions. All those instructions by ChatGPT was just telling you where to say the exact line. Okay, so I'll just click on this place, then look for a voice.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Okay, so I'll just click on start, and it is going to generate the speech, generate the voiceover, and just do everything for me. Okay, so this is it.
Long ago, on a golden African savanna, a small rabbit hopped carefully through the tall grass.
Suddenly,
a mighty lion appeared,
its eyes
blazing with hunger. The little rabbit froze in fear. But the rabbit was clever. I can outsmart him.
It whispered to itself.
With quick thinking,
the
rabbit led the lion to a dark, mysterious cave, pointing the way with courage and cunning. The lion, greedy and curious, entered the cave, and was trapped. The rabbit.
Now, as you can see, this is too long. This is too long because I've already trimmed everything to be 25. So this is not good for the video. You can see the script is still remaining. You can see, right, it was still remaining, this one. So I will just use my voice to like read everything. Okay, so I've already trimmed it. I cannot come back and be on trimming, or okay, so I can just remove everything. Okay, this is only for the pro version. Let me tell you something, during Christmas, InShot gives a lot of discount, so you can start saving now to get InShot Pro for 11,000 naira during Christmas. Christmas is coming next. Maybe before Christmas there could be a discount for Easter or any of the holidays. Trust me, this is as good as CapCut, and getting this for 11,000 when a lot of editing apps are giving their own for 90,000, 100,000. This is what we call too much awoof. This is what Nigerians call awoof the poach belle, because getting this for 11,000 naira for a whole year, my darling, it's going to make your work like no. I cannot begin to tell you how good InShot is. It's InShot I used to edit all my videos. It is very, very good. So if you can afford it, if you know you can, just save up for it, and you can get it. Just save the 11,000 naira for it. Anytime it comes up, then you just get it. It is very, very good. It is perfect. So I'll use my voice to tell the story, but before that, let me add my audio. I'll just come to this place. So I'll reduce my audio to 7 seconds so that you can hear the speech when I put it. This audio is not suitable for this, but you can search for audios that are suitable when you are doing your own. Okay, so let me just add the audio. Now I've inserted the voiceover, but before I show you that, let me show you that I extended the clips. I insert them twice, like one clip I made it twice. It is very simple. All you need to do is just bring your cursor where you want the video to appear, maybe at the front or at the back. If you want it to be at the back, you place it here. If you want it to be at the front, you place it here. Now you see that I'm placing this cursor at the, I don't know how to pronounce that in place. You can put it here, so you just click on this plus, then click on video. Let's just say I want this to appear at the front, then click on this place. You see that it is here. Then let me remove it. If you want to like undo rather, you can click this place. So now you can see that each clip is appearing twice. That is because our voiceover is too long. Okay, our voiceover is long, so I have to put everything 2 for everything to be 10 seconds. The maximum is 10 seconds. No scene should appear more than 10 seconds. Each of these is called scene. Like this is scene 1. These two pictures, they are the same thing, so they are scene 1s. So every scene should appear once. So I include everything twice, like this, 5, making everything 10 seconds each. So I can still decide to put the animation on these ones. You see, I did not put before, so I can decide to put any animation for these new ones I just inserted. So these are my voiceover. This voiceover is for the first scene, so this is where it stopped. So I can just remove that, okay, so that it will be showing only where it stopped. Okay, so I can just decide to cut that off. So this is just basic trimming, basic editing for InShot. So that is how you do for all of them, and then you get your video exactly how you saw it at the beginning of this video. Okay, so it is as easy as that. You can generate as many as possible. Bling AI is entirely free for images especially, and you can see that with just your pictures you can generate more than 30 seconds. This is 53. If I trim everything and re-edit everything, it will be maybe 40 or 50 or maybe 55. So you can do the same for your own. Okay, so that is the end of today's class. This is day 23 of our AI video. Don't forget to do your assignment. I'll be seeing you on the next one, and bye bye. Long ago, on a golden African savanna, a small rabbit hopped carefully through the tall grass. Then suddenly, a mighty lion appeared, its eyes blazing with hunger. The little rabbit froze in fear. But the rabbit was clever. "I can outsmart him," it whispered to itself. With a quick thinking, the rabbit led the lion to a dark, mysterious cave, pointing the way with courage and cunning. The lion, greedy and curious, entered the cave and was trapped. The rabbit hopped away safely, rejoicing. And so, the little rabbit taught everyone that brains can be stronger than brain if you dare to be clever.